Have you ever felt like your soul just left your body after work? Not tired, not sleepy, drained. Like someone unplugged your brain, stole your energy, and left you staring at a wall, scrolling your phone like a zombie. You get home, thinking you'll rest, maybe even do something productive, but boom, it's 11 p.m., you've done nothing, and you're still in work clothes. That used to be me, every single day, until I figured out 7 small things that changed everything. 1. I started a fake commute. I used to hate commuting, but when I started working from home, I realized that trip served a purpose. It gave my brain time to switch gears. So I faked it. 10 minutes outside, no phone, no podcast, just a walk before and after work. Yeah, it felt dumb at first, but that little walk, it became my switch from employee mode to human mode. 2. I stopped collapsing into the couch. The couch is a trap. You say, I'll sit for 1 second, and then it's 4 hours later, you're half asleep watching raccoon heist videos. So I made a rule. Before I touch the couch, I do one thing that makes me feel alive. Stretch, dance, cook something, doesn't matter what, as long as it reminds me I'm not just a body in burnout mode. Turns out that one tiny act makes rest feel like actual rest, not just passive recovery. 3. I created a start the evening ritual. You know how athletes have a warm-up before the big game? I started doing the same thing for my evenings. Right after work, I do one small ritual. Same every day. No thinking, no planning, just go. For me, it's lighting a candle, making tea, and putting on a hoodie I only wear after work. That's it. Sounds silly, but it trains your brain. Work is over, now I'm home. I'm safe. I can breathe. It's like telling your body, you don't have to be productive now. You get to just be. That tiny routine became my transition from survival mode back into real life. 4. I stopped giving work my best energy. I used to give work 100% of me, the patience, the focus, the creativity. By the time I clocked out, I had nothing left. So I pulled back. I still do good work. I just stopped acting like every email was life or death. Guess what? No one noticed, except me. And suddenly I had energy to do things that actually make my life feel like mine again. 5. I said no without feeling guilty. A huge part of burnout, saying yes to things you don't have the energy for. So I started saying no, kindly but firmly. Not, sorry I can't, just, that sounds great, but I'm keeping this evening for myself. Let's plan something soon. Nobody got mad, but I got my time and energy back. And honestly, that's priceless. 6. I gave my brain a break without my phone. Scrolling your phone feels like rest, but it's just another kind of stimulation overload. So I started replacing doom scrolling with actual rest. 5 minutes of journaling, a few pages of a book, silence, lying on the floor like a dramatic movie character.
Doesn't matter. What matters is it lets my brain breathe, and that's what real recovery feels like. 7. I gave myself something to look forward to. Most evenings used to feel like a countdown to bedtime. Now, I give myself something, anything, to look forward to. A hobby, a recipe, a snack, a funny video, a dumb show I love, just one thing that makes the day feel like mine again. And when you do that, your evening becomes more than just what's left after work. It becomes the part of the day that actually matters. Feeling drained after work doesn't mean you're weak. It just means you haven't figured out how to recharge the right way yet. Try one of these, just one, and to start to feel it, the slow, steady return of your energy, your time, yourself. Because your life doesn't start on weekends. It starts the moment you stop handing all of yourself to work and start giving some of it back to you.